Hey, what's up? This is Ricardo at Parts People, and in this video, we'll outline the steps for completing a part replacement on your Dell PC. Visit our website and use this coupon for a 5% off discount. First, slide over tabs and remove battery. Now unscrew and remove DVD Optical Drive. Then unscrew and remove access door. Next, unscrew and slide out hard drive. Now disconnect antenna cables. Then unscrew and remove wireless card. Now remove bottom base screws. Now press in tabs to separate and turn over keyboard. Then disconnect and remove keyboard. Now unscrew palmrest. Then disconnect cables and remove palmrest. Now disconnect and remove SDI USB circuit board. Now disconnect and remove speakers. Then disconnect and remove DC jack. Then disconnect LCD cable. Now loosen antenna cables. Then unscrew and remove LCD display assembly. Now unscrew and remove motherboard. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. And if you need more, check out this playlist to watch other tutorials for your laptop. You can also click here to find parts for your laptop at partspeople.com.